how to enable vibration on iPhone 8 Plus and make your iPhone vibrate for calls, notifications, and alerts. If your iPhone is not vibrating when it is on silent mode or ring mode, you can easily change these settings from the Sounds and Haptics menu. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Sounds and Haptics. Here, look for the Play Haptics in Ring Mode and Play Haptics in Silent Mode options in Ring/Silent Mode Switch section. Turn on these options if you want your iPhone to vibrate when it is in Ring Mode or Silent Mode. You can also customize the vibration pattern. Tap on Ringtone, then select Vibration, and choose your preferred vibration style. If you want to create a custom vibration pattern, tap on Create New Vibration and record your own vibration pattern. After enabling these settings, your iPhone 8 Plus will vibrate for incoming calls, messages, and other alerts, depending on your selected mode. So that's how you can turn on vibration mode on iPhone 8 Plus and enable vibration for silent and ring mode. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and step-by-step guides.